watching The Angle and I'm Ekta Rathod. So let's start our bulletin with headlines first. Prime Minister Narendra Modi popularity increasing continuously. Narendra Modi has surpassed the world's most powerful country head of state, Joe Biden. BJP National Working Committee meeting held in Delhi. Nadda shot party workers and leaders for winning next time. Bombay High Court sent Anil Deshmukh to ED custody till November 12. Was arrested in money laundering case. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan held a press conference that a provision of ₹1,23,000 crore was made for the farmers. Prime Minister Narendra Modi popularity as a global leader increasing continuously. In a survey by American data intelligence firm The Morning Consult, it has been claimed that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has surpassed the world's most powerful country head of state, Joe Biden. According to the information, US President Joe Biden, British PM Boris Johnson, Mexican President Andre, Italian Mario, German Chancellor Angela Merkel are also far behind from PM Modi's popularity graph. BJP National Executive Committee meeting held today in Delhi. While many prominent leaders were directly involved in the meeting, many leaders were virtually participated in this meeting. In this, the member of National Executive were virtually connected to the state BJP headquarters. Speaking at the National Executive meeting of the BJP, Nadda said there were very few parallel in India politics to the rapid pace at which the saffron camp has grown in West Bengal, stating that the BJP's peak was yet to come in the eastern state. Nadda assured party workers and leaders that the BJP will chart a new story in this state. Union Minister Dharmendra Pradhan held a press conference today regarding BJP meeting. He said that Prime Minister Narendra Modi has inaugurated the meeting of the National Executive Committee of the BJP. There is a unique initiative in this, in which all the participants have been digitally registered. 342 participants have been participated in the meeting. When our government came in 2014, there was a provision of spending only ₹23,000 crore for the farmers in the budget, but in the budget presented by the Finance Minister last time, a provision of ₹1,23,000 crore was made for the farmers. Maharashtra Minister and NCP leader Nawab Malik point out Mohit Kamboj on Sunday. Said BJP leader Mohit Kamboj was the mastermind of drug on cruise case in which Bollywood superstar Shah Rukh Khan's son Aryan is an accused, and that he partnered the NCP Mumbai zonal director Sameer Wankhede in demanding ransom. Malik said that the sensational drug bust case of the Goa-bound cruise was a case of kidnapping and ransom and not what it appeared to be. He said Aryan did not buy a ticket for the cruise party, but it was Pratik Gaba and Amir Furniturewala. The Bombay High Court sent former Maharashtra Home Minister Anil Deshmukh to ED custody till November 12. He was arrested on 1st November in a money laundering case. Former Mumbai Police Commissioner Parambir Singh had written a letter to Maharashtra Chief Minister Uddhav Thackeray claiming that Anil Deshmukh had demanded ₹100 crore per month through Sachin Vajay while being the Home Minister. In this case, ED had called Anil Deshmukh for questioning. The climate of Delhi NCR has become very bad after Diwali. People are finding it difficult to breathe. The problem of itching of the eyes has also increased. Children and the elderly are most vulnerable to it. According to SAFAR, Delhi's overall air quality remain in the worst category with an AQI of 436, in which the level of PM10 is 412 and PM2.5 is 286. Noida's air also remains in the worst category with an AQI of 450. Punjab Chief Minister Charanjit Singh Channi held a press conference today in Punjab. He shared the information with the media about the reductions in the price of petrol and diesel there. He said that we have decided to decrease petrol and diesel prices by ₹10 per litre and ₹5 per litre respectively to be effective from midnight today. After reducing the excise duty of the central government, all the state governments have also started cutting VAT. Chief Minister Ashok Gehlot expressed worry about COVID-19 by tweeting on Twitter. He said that the cases of corona will increase in the coming days in this state. He has appealed to follow the COVID protocol. Along with this, he has asked the people who have not got vaccine to get vaccine as soon as possible. For the last few days, cases of corona have suddenly started increasing abroad. In many countries including Russia, America, UK, Turkey, Ukraine, 25,000 or more corona cases are being found every day. That's all for today. If you like our channel, please like, share and subscribe.